Hello, brother.
Hello, very good evening, man. How are you doing?
So, brother, where are you from?
I'm from India, Chhattisgarh.
Okay, I know you're India, but which state?
Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh. Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Assam, Northeast India.
Assamese. Okay,
Yes,
great.
Assam.
Sounds good. Dispur, Dispur,
Oh, no, no, no.
Guwahati, Guwahati,
Do you know Guwahati?
Tinsukia, or Guwahati.
No, no. Dhupri district, actually, Lower Assam part.
So I don't know which is the okay. I only know about those names because I watched the movies.
Okay. Brother, what do you do basically?
Uh, Let me introduce myself. As you can see, my name is DK. My name is DK. It's an artist name. Back in time, I wanted to become rapper. Then I realized I can't create and make my own words, own lyrics. That's why I dropped my idea to be a rapper. And come to my education after completing high school, I discontinued my study. Then contributing with my parents to doing farming. I'm agriculture doing farming. We are coming in underprivileged society. I don't have anything. I'm broke.
Okay.
I enjoying myself. I'm enjoying myself. What I have, what I'm doing, it doesn't matter for me. But I'm really enjoying myself. I'm grateful to I have
Okay,
what
that's
I have.
great.
So can you please introduce yourself in a brief for the discussion, man?
Okay, now introduce myself. Actually, my name is Abdus Salam. I'm from Assam and I have completed my graduation and now I am studying for learning English and as well as looking for a government job. And my hobby is learning English and also my hobby is uh, content creator, actually video making every day. When I get free time, I make a video like blog video in English. That's all about.
Okay. What kind of content and concept you produce about your content creation?
Learning English video like beginner learner and my video beginner learner actually very helpful video because I'm a beginner learner in English and how to improve my speaking English and how to learn speaking English and that type of video make. And also when I
Okay.
go to like another different place, I explain those kind of situation like a blog video.
Okay, blogging. Great,
Yes.
great. This is a really cool thing you start from content creation. I'm also thinking about that, but I'm not as good in English and I'm not good
No, brother. Actually,
as.
your English also very good. Your sound also good because I'm a beginner learner and uh, how to learn and how to improve myself. Please suggest me. Actually, your English better than me. Your English also good.
According to yourself, but according to myself, if I rate myself, I give me only 2 out of 10. But yeah, nothing else. I'm really curious and obsessed about to learn different languages. Like you're from Assam, but I don't know Assamese. আমি বলতে জানছি একটু
Okay.
but
Actually,
it's
what is your first language? Like native language?
first language, native language. My mother tongue is
Yes,
Chhattisgarhi. It's a Chhattisgarhi, Chhattisgarhi.
Chhattisgarhi. Okay. Do you know Hindi?
Yeah, आता है ना भाई क्यों नहीं आ गया मैंने पंजाबी भी आंदा है ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
Okay,
ਤੁਸੀਂ
okay.
ਕਹੋਗੇ
Actually, Hindi language and every person Hindi language know because actually Indian person also Hindi actually know.
everyone knows about
Yes,
Hindi man.
everyone knows in Hindi language. Okay, I also know Hindi, but my first language Assamese native language, and I also I know Bengali language and Now I am trying to learn speaking English language also.
Okay. So any other international language like hola, me amo, te quiero mucho gusto, soy de gracias, like Spanish
No, no, no.
or any other
I don't know
like
any other international language. Just English language, but little bit, not fluent.
okay, no issue, no issue, no issue. Because I'm also beginner, I'm still learning. If you're good in something, try for better. If you're better in something, try for best. I'm always saying that.
Yes,
This is my way. Yeah. Nobody knows about everything, man.
yes, of
Nobody
course.
knows. Yeah. There are more to learn even for masters. I believe in that. So, and also, precision come with time. It takes time. Gradually, it will be overcome. Like gradually, it will come to your tongue, and you too precise after spending some time with this kind of conversation. So yeah.
Yes, brother.
So any other specific field to discuss for further discussion, kind of.
Okay, actually,
We
you are
we have only,
sorry, brother. Tell me.
we have only 35 seconds remains.
Yes, yes, 35, 31 second. Yes, there are actually time actually gone, and now which topic discuss? Actually, time actually gone.
Okay, no issue, man. But it's really enjoyable to being a part of me. Thanks giving your precious time. I really appreciate that. You're too cool, man.
Okay, okay. I also appreciate your connecting with you. So thank you. Next time, actually, bye bye.